Imagine a place untouched by time, where the noise of cities, the rush of technology, and the constant buzz of social media simply do not exist. This is the reality of a hidden community, a world where people live in complete isolation, far away from the influence of modern civilization. In such places, life is deeply connected to nature, and every day revolves around survival, tradition, and strong human bonds. These communities often rely on ancient traditions passed down through generations, preserving a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. In a hidden society, there are no smartphones, no internet, and no artificial distractions. Instead, people wake up with the sunrise and sleep under the stars, following the natural rhythm of the earth. Their daily routine is centered around self-sufficiency, where every individual contributes to the survival of the group. Farming, fishing, and hunting are not just activities but essential skills for survival. The concept of modern comforts like electricity or running water is often absent, yet the people living here find happiness in simplicity and purpose. One of the most fascinating aspects of such communities is their deep sense of unity. Unlike modern cities where people often feel disconnected, these societies thrive on cooperation and mutual support. Everyone knows each other, and relationships are built on trust and shared responsibilities. The idea of individualism is replaced by a collective mindset, where the needs of the community come before personal desires. This creates a strong emotional bond among the members, making them resilient in the face of challenges. Another important feature of life in a hidden community is their respect for cultural heritage. Their customs, rituals, and beliefs are an integral part of their identity. Festivals, ceremonies, and storytelling play a crucial role in keeping their history alive. These traditions are not just symbolic but serve as a guide for living a balanced and meaningful life. In a world where cultures are rapidly changing, these communities act as living examples of preservation and continuity. Living in such isolation also means facing unique challenges. Access to healthcare, education, and external resources is extremely limited. When someone falls ill, they often rely on traditional medicine and natural remedies. Knowledge is passed orally rather than through formal education systems. While this can be seen as a limitation, it also highlights their adaptability and deep understanding of their environment. The environment itself plays a crucial role in shaping their lifestyle. Surrounded by forests, mountains, or deserts, these communities have developed a strong connection with their surroundings. They understand the patterns of weather, the behavior of animals, and the secrets of the land. This deep environmental awareness allows them to live sustainably, taking only what they need and respecting the balance of nature. In contrast to the modern world's excessive consumption, their lifestyle is a powerful example of sustainability. Despite their isolation, these communities are not unaware of the outside world. In some cases, limited contact with outsiders has introduced small changes, but many choose to maintain their distance to protect their identity and way of life. The fear of losing their traditions and being influenced by modernization often keeps them hidden. This decision reflects their strong desire to preserve their uniqueness in a rapidly changing world. What makes life in a hidden community truly remarkable is the sense of peace and contentment that comes from living a simple life. Without the pressures of competition, deadlines, and material success, people focus on what truly matters: family, relationships, and harmony with nature. The absence of constant distractions allows them to be more present and mindful, creating a deeper connection with themselves and their surroundings. In conclusion, life in a community hidden from the modern world is a powerful reminder of a different way of living. It challenges our understanding of progress and happiness, showing that a fulfilling life does not always depend on technology or wealth. Through simplicity, connection, and tradition, These communities offer valuable lessons about balance, resilience, and the true essence of human existence.